Imagine a classroom buzzing with engaged learners. But how do we get there? Today, we explore essential teaching models that shape effective education. We'll cover constructivist approaches, scientific inquiry, and literacy development. By the end, you'll understand these vital concepts and their integration in practice. Teaching isn't just about transferring knowledge. It's about building a foundation for lifelong learning. This unit uncovers three interconnected areas: constructivist approaches, inductive thinking, and literacy strategies. Each element plays a role in modern pedagogy, enhancing student engagement and understanding. First, let's dive into constructivist approaches. Constructivism suggests learners build knowledge actively. Influenced by theorists like Piaget and Vygotsky, it emphasizes social interaction, collaboration, and authentic tasks. This approach creates a learner-centered environment. In a constructivist classroom, students are engaged and work together. They explore prior knowledge and take charge of their learning. Important principles guide this approach: active engagement, authentic contexts, metacognition, and formative assessments. These principles foster collaboration, making learning meaningful and relevant. Now, let's explore models and strategies. Problem-based learning, PBL, encourages students to tackle real-life problems collaboratively. Inquiry-based learning, IBL, allows them to ask questions, collect data, and draw conclusions. These models empower learners to take ownership of their educational journey. Implementation requires thoughtful planning. Teachers can use diagnostic questioning to assess prior knowledge. Authentic, open-ended tasks promote in-depth inquiry and encourage productive classroom discussions. Formative assessments, like exit tickets, help tailor instruction. Next, we address scientific inquiry and inductive thinking. These models transition from specific observations to broader generalizations. Emphasizing critical reasoning, they cultivate essential skills for scientific literacy. Key components include question formulation, systematic observation, and evidence-based argumentation. Pedagogical models, like the 5E model, guide inquiry lessons. This framework promotes engagement and exploration before explanation. It fosters an iterative cycle of investigation and reflection, ensuring deep understanding through practice. As we design inquiry lessons, it's vital to spark curiosity. Teachers can present accessible yet rich phenomena. Supporting students in planning investigations ensures a thorough understanding of scientific processes. Effective assessment captures both inquiry processes and learning outcomes. We can utilize rubrics and integrate peer assessments. This approach enhances metacognitive awareness and encourages reflection on reasoning. Finally, we delve into literacy development. Literacy encompasses more than reading. It includes writing, speaking, listening, and digital comprehension. It's essential for educational access and personal growth. Understanding literacy acquisition incorporates various theories. The simple view of reading highlights the importance of decoding and comprehension. Emergent literacy theory recognizes the early signs of literacy development through interaction and exposure. An effective literacy program combines phonics instruction, vocabulary development, and comprehension strategies. These components address the complexities of reading and writing. Differentiation ensures that all learners receive support tailored to their needs. For instance, students with dyslexia benefit from structured literacy approaches. Adapting instruction for EAL learners and higher attaining pupils also fosters equity in learning. Assessment, both formative and summative, is crucial for literacy instruction. Standardized assessments identify benchmarks, while daily classroom assessments guide instruction. Teachers can diagnose specific skill gaps to inform targeted interventions. Promoting literacy across the curriculum encourages students to apply their skills in varied contexts. Tailored vocabulary instruction and modeling academic writing genres help prepare learners for future challenges. To truly integrate these three strands is the key. Constructivist approaches, scientific inquiry, and literacy development are interconnected. Together, they create a cohesive framework for effective teaching. This integration fosters a rich learning environment where inquiry and communication thrive. In conclusion, these teaching models provide a roadmap for modern educators. They emphasize learner engagement, critical thinking, and authentic practice. By blending theory, evidence, and skilled pedagogy, teachers can enhance every pupil's learning experience. Now that you're equipped with these approaches, consider how you can implement them in your teaching practice. Start integrating these models today to empower your students and enrich their learning journey.